In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix iCloud Drive taking up too much space on my iPhone. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing you can do to fix this problem is a simple phone restart. So you just want to restart your phone. So just hold on the volume up and volume down button, also the power button, and slide to turn off your phone. Now you want to turn your phone on again. So the next step we can do to fix this problem is to check if there is any software updates. So you want to go to your settings and go to general and just go to software update and check if your software is updated. So now let's go back and go to our Apple ID. From here, you want to select iCloud. Now select iCloud Drive. So what you want to do is simply turn off the sync this iPhone option to your iCloud Drive. Now confirm, turn off syncing iCloud Drive, and that's it. So that will fix the iCloud Drive taking up too much space on your iPhone. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.